So let's understand what is statistics and its types. Statistics is a branch of mathematics. It is the discipline that concerns the collection, organization, analysis, interpretation, and presentation of the data. If you have any MCQs or you're having an exam, they can ask you the definition of what is statistics. They can also ask you what do we mean by statistics, how do we collect, like what we can have in the statistics. So you can mention in statistics you can collect data, you can organize data, you can do the analysis on the data, and you can do interpretation of the data. Statistics is then divided into two. Number one, you have descriptive statistics. The other one is inferential statistics. Now let's understand the difference between both of them. Descriptive statistics is presenting, organizing, and summarizing of the data, whereas inferential statistics is drawing conclusion about the population based on the data sample using estimation and different test hypotheses. Let's discuss this in detail and with the examples. So when we talk about descriptive statistics, it is the analysis of the data that helps to describe, show, and summarize data under study. Whereas inferential is the analysis of the random sample of data taken from the population to describe and make inference about the population. In descriptive, we can organize, we can analyze, and present data in meaningful way. Whereas in inferential, we compare the data, we can do the test, and we can predict the data. In future videos, we will discuss what do we mean by comparing, test, and predictive. We will also discuss ANOVA and all those test hypotheses, p-test, t-test, to describe this in detail. It is used to describe a situation. That's descriptive. So for example, the car was going with the speed of 100 miles per hour, or the car was going very fast. That's description. Okay. Whereas it is used to explains the chance of occurrence of the event. So for example, you toss the coin and you get head and tail. That's what it means. Chance of occurrence. You can have the dice, you can have the cards. So for example, in dice you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So chance of occurrence of getting 3. If you have 2 dice, chance of occurrence getting 3 twice on both the same dice. So that's what it means, chance of occurrence of an event. That's how you will remember. Even for your exam, for your MCQs, what do we mean by inferential? It's all about mathematics. It's all about calculations, chance of occurrence. Whereas this will describe the situation. For example, it explains already known data and limited to a sample population having a small size. Whereas in inferential, it attempts to reach the conclusion about the population. So for example, how many times you will get 5 when you roll 10 dices together. So reach the conclusion. The types of descriptive, you have measure of central tendency, which we will discuss in future videos as well. Measure of variability. Types, estimation of a parameter and testing of hypothesis. In descriptive, results are shown with the help of charts, graphs, and tables. Whereas in inferential, results are shown with the help of probability. We will discuss this. The probability is always between 0 and 1. Now let's see the statistics and its usage, where we can use statistics in the real life. It's a very vast field. It can be used without statistics. The life is nothing. That's what I'll say. Because if we say statistics you need for your businesses, when we talk about businesses, economics, engineering, marketing, computer science. When we talk about computer science statistics, we talk about artificial intelligence, we talk about machine learning, we talk about LLM. Without statistics, computer science stands nothing. So this is why we will start from basics and we will do all about how to become a data scientist, how to do all the statistics, which will lead all these stuff which we will learn to, like, in these videos will lead towards how to become a data scientist. Physical sciences, astronomy, chemistry, physics, you need statistics for all these. Health and medicine, so genetics, clinical trials, pharmacology, you need statistics. Environment, agriculture, ecology, forestry, animal population, government, census, laws, national defense, everywhere you need statistics. So if you get a question in your exam, where areas where you can use statistics, so you can remember businesses, physical sciences, environment, health and medicine, government. These are just few of them.